This is a used 2012 Nissan Armada. It's powered by four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include electric trunk, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, trailer hitch, a premium sound system. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Carlsbad Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2802 West Pierce Street, Carlsbad, New Mexico, 88220.